to get happy? Let me tell you now. Here we go. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that can go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you know what happiness is to you, girl. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Say what? Yeah. Well, give it all you got and don't hold it back. Say what? Yeah. I should probably warn you I'll be just fine. Yeah. Yeah. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none what? And levels too high to bring me down, can't none what? Hey, bring me down, can't none bring me down. And levels too high to bring me down. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. I'm alone if you feel like a room without a roof. I'm alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. I'm alone if you know what happiness is to you. I'm alone if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Happy birthday, Sterling.
Happy birthday, Stirling.
We just want to let you know we love you.
Man.
And you done brought us so much joy and laughter since you've been here. And we hope you have a wonderful birthday and many more to come.
Happy birthday, Stirling. We love you so much. Happy 9th birthday, big fella.
Turn up, turn up, turn
Let's
up.
party, man. Game on.
Happy birthday, Stirling. It's your granddad, buddy. Hey, I just want to wish you so much, man. You my little fella there. If I was a little jitterbug and everything all over again, I want to be just like you. And I know something going to become very special of you when you grow up to be a fine young man and everything there. But granddad, want to wish you a happy birthday. And I want you to enjoy yourself with your buddies and everything there. I know you're having a fun time in the fun truck. And, you know, Granddad love you very much, all right? Go Lakers. Go Bucks, all right? I love you much, man. Enjoy yourself. Here go Grandma Paula.
Happy birthday, Sterling. You're growing up to be a very handsome young man. So all the best for your birthday. Have fun and hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday, brother. Listen, it's your Uncle Winston. You know I love you. It's your birthday. Celebrate big. Go crazy, enjoy your day. I wish I was there, but I'm just very proud of you. And just happy birthday, man. You're almost in double digits, man. You getting old. You're getting up there. But happy birthday, man. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Sterling.
Happy birthday from your family in Tampa. We couldn't be there this year, but until then, we love you and we miss you.
Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday. You still get on my nerves, but I love you. Happy birthday, Stirling.
Happy birthday. I love you. You know, but you're gonna always be a baby to me. I'm gonna take you somewhere special when I come back, okay?
Hey Sterling, I just want to say happy birthday and I love you so much. So sorry that we can't all be there today, but I hope you have an amazing birthday. I love you so much. And yes, have a great one. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, man. I love you.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real gamer versus gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.